You guys ever seen these on Amazon and wonder if they're worth the buy or if they're just junk? Well, today I'm going to test these things out and let you know. Stay tuned. What's up guys, Jason here with Little Guy Big Reviews. On this channel we review helpful and fun gadgets. We unbox them, we test them, and we review them. Today we're going to put these to the test and see how they work. Let's get to it. Alright, let's check out this first Amazon gadget that I got. I believe this is a glove. Let's see what's in here. Okay, oh sweet, there's two of them. That's cool. And check that out. The screwdriver comes with it. Looks like this is the light source right here. Just hit on or off. Looks like the screwdriver is going to be to replace the batteries in there. Let's see, can we see what the battery looks like in this? No, it's sewn in here, so that's pretty cool. And then here are your LED lights. Let's see how this goes on. Thumb and index finger is how it seems to go, and it looks like then you will wrap it around just like that, and then that's really cool. Oh, that's awesome. I didn't think they would be that bright at all. When I ordered I thought it was a whole glove. I didn't know it was just a 2-finger strap. Let's just check this other one really quick, make sure it works, and then we're gonna go road test these things. So let's try this one. Thumb. Oh, that one's a little tighter. And wrap it and strap it. All right, look at that. These are really cool. I'm digging this so far. I like these. Let's go test them out and see what we can put them to use for. Okay, so we're gonna test this out now and see. This is my laundry room. The lights are off. I think this is cool. Like, this will really help out if you need to like find something in small places, like back here. Right? Or maybe you drop something back behind your dryer and you need to look back there. Oh yeah, look, see, there we go. Just pointing with your finger. Let's go ahead and close. Now I'm in my laundry room. It's pretty bright. I like it. Let's go out in the garage. Okay, so here's my garage. Really lit. You know what I want to try? I want to go into my car. I want to see if this helps you find things that are under the seat. Hopefully it's not food, because my wife would be upset. Hopefully it's money, because that would make me extremely happy. Excuse the mess. I have kids, so here we go. Let's see. It could possibly kind of help. Maybe if you're unscrewing stuff, you know, working down here, need to change something. Let's see how it works down here. It's okay. Maybe not that good for that. Maybe though, maybe. Let's try and see if you're gonna work on your car, if it helps you look inside the engine. I didn't get to record this, but these things work really good if you're looking for stuff under the couches. We lost our remote under there, and instead of trying to find a flashlight, I had already had these on. I went under there, easy to find. So these definitely get the 5-star hero for looking under the couch for sure. Let's check out the rest of the testing. This is the engine without the LED glove lights pointed at it, and this is with it on. Oh yeah, that's way helpful. Extremely helpful. Look at that. You can just, if you need to work on this right here, there it is. Or you're looking down here at your engine. Yeah, perfect. And then if you had two hands, you could really get in there and it would put a lot of light. This is awesome. This is really cool. Let's see, how about we get down in here? Oh yeah. They don't seem very bright, but once you point at the thing, whatever you're aiming for, it really illuminates it a lot. I really like this. I'm digging this gadget. Really digging it. What do you guys think so far? Give it a thumbs up if you like it, or a thumbs down if you don't like this. Let's see what else we can test it with. I want to try one last thing. I'm going to go to the edge of my garage. I'm going to turn this light off, and we're going to see if these little things can help me find the doorknob. And if they can, they're probably good. You can use these when you're walking at nighttime. It definitely helps with the engine compartment. Inside the car, a little bit, not as great as I thought. Let's just try this end of the garage all the way to the door with the lights off with just the LED gloves. It's really, really dark in here. I thought this was gonna be brighter. Here's my dog, Cookie. She's helping me see. So I guess if I had both hands, I feel like I could definitely get to it better. But for what they are, for two LED lights, if I had both hands, it'd be a lot brighter. But I mean, I'm here at the door. I found the light switch. I think it's a cool gadget. Here's my thoughts on the thing. They're cheap, they're fun to have. It's not a necessity, but they do come in handy. As you see, you can find stuff that's under the couches, behind washers, dryers. You saw that I was able to look at the engine if I wanted to work at it and I didn't have a light to hang over. Those aspects, it does come in handy. Fabric is kind of like a cotton. It will stretch. The thumb areas are slightly tight and I have small hands. If you have bigger hands, it should stretch out. There's no guarantee that it won't rip. The lights work out really well. They're two LEDs. They are fairly bright, as you can expect for these little gloves. One thing I want to point out is you can see that the on and off button, the letters are already peeling off. So these things probably won't last very long, but they are useful. So I would say go ahead and give them a try and let me know in the comments what you guys think. Now before I let you guys go, if there's any uses that I might have missed on this, leave in the comment section below. And also check out these cool other videos, especially this one. This one is really funny. And while you're doing that, click the subscribe button and the bell notification, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.